Let me share a different way to remember the division steps. Think of your favorite fast food place like McDonald's. Here's the question. Does McDonald's sell burgers? This stands for the four steps you follow when dividing numbers. Let's break it down with a fun memory aid. D stands for divide, M stands for multiply, S stands for subtract, finally B stands for bring down. Question number 1, 7,894 divided by 16. Write your problem in long division format first. We need to set up the problem so 7,894 is inside the division box and 16 is outside. This helps us see what we're working with. Now start by dividing 78 by 16. Ask yourself how many times can 16 go into 78? And it can go in 4 times. So write the number 4 above the 8 in 78. Next, multiply our answer and the divisor 16. The product is 64. Subtract 64 from 78, which gives us 14. Now take the next digit in 7,894, which is 9, and bring it down next to the 14, making it 149. Since we finished our mnemonics, we will go back to our first step again by dividing 149 by 16. We ask how many times 16 goes into 149, and it goes in 9 times. Write the number 9 next to the 4 in the answer. Multiply the answer and our divisor, 16. The result is 144. Next, subtract 144 from 149. This will leave us 5. Now bring down the last digit from 7,894, which is 4. This makes the number 54. Now let us repeat the process. Divide 54 by 16. How many times does 16 go into 54? And it goes 3 times. Write the 3 next to the number 9 in our answer. Multiply our answer and the divisor. The result is 48. Subtract 48 from 54, which gives us 6. Since there are no more digits left, we add a decimal point to the answer and bring down a 0, making the 6 into 60. And repeat the process again. Divide 60 by 16. It goes in 3 times. Write the number 3 after the decimal point in the answer. Multiply our answer, which is 3, and the divisor, 16. This gives us 48. Next, subtract 48 from 60, and it will give us 12. Bring down another 0, making the 12 into 120. Let's repeat the process by dividing 120 and 16. It goes in 7 times. Write the number 7 after the 3. Next, multiply 7 and 16. The result is 112. Next, subtract 112 from 120, and this will give us 8. Bring down 0, and finally, divide 80 by 16, we will get 5. Write 5 after 7. Next, multiply 5 and 16. The result is 80. By subtracting 80 from 80, and the answer is 0. So, the final answer is 493.375. Now, let's try this next example. 854 divided by 12. Write the problem in long division format again. Start by setting up 854 divided by 12 with 854 inside the division box and 12 outside. This helps us organize our work. Now take note, can we divide 8 by 12? No, we can't because 8 is smaller than 12. So we need to include the next digit, which is 5, making it 85. Now we ask, can we divide 85 by 12? Yes, we can. So divide 85 by 12. 12 fits into 85 7 times. So we write 7 above the division bar, line up with the last digit of 85. Next, multiply 7 and the divisor 12, which equals 84. Now subtract 84 from 85, which gives 1. Now take the next digit from 854, which is 4, and bring it down next to the 1, making it 14. Let's repeat the process. Divide 14 by 12, which gives us 1. Write the 1 next to the 7 above the division bar. Multiply 12 by 1. The product is 12. Now subtract 12 from 14, which gives us 2. Since we don't have any more digits left to bring down, we add the decimal point to the answer and add a 0 to the number 2, making it 20. Repeating the process again, divide 20 by 12, which equals 1. Write this 1 after the decimal point. Multiply 1 and 12. The result is 12. Subtract 12 from 20, which gives the result 8. Bring down another 0, making it 80. Repeat the process again. Divide 80 by 12, which equals 6. Write 6 next to the 1 after the decimal point. Next, multiply 6 and 12, which equals 72. Subtract 72 from 80, we get 8. And we're left with 8 again. We bring down another 0, making it 80 again. These steps will repeat and will keep getting the number 6 over and over. Since the number 6 repeats, we can write the answer as 71.1666 ellipsis or 71.16 with this bar, meaning that 6 repeats forever, or it is approximately 71.17. That's it for today. That's how we break down and solve the division step by step.